Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Even I'm good too. Today in this video, I will be telling how to overcome the negativity during pregnancy. It is very important to maintain mental health during throughout the pregnancy journey, and it indirectly affects baby when you get too much stressed. There are few things which can be changed and few things which cannot be changed. So I will be telling how to overcome it, or I'll give you some solutions to that. And first thing, I'll be talking about the things which cannot be changed. For example, when you are pregnant, uh, you lose someone, like a close relative of yours may expire, and it takes a lot of time to get over it. It is not easy, as we say, but you can practice few techniques, like you can divert your mind. You can think about your last trip, or you can think about the shopping where you regularly purchase. You can think about the price, you can think about the variety of clothes you get there, and you can think about your favorite place, or you can remember the place where you went uh, 10 years before. You can think different things which is not related to one another at all. After few minutes, your sadness or the feeling of crying, that will reduce and your mood will calm down. So you can practice. Starting it'll be irritating to think like this, but if you practice it, I think after few days at least you will get over it. I mean, at least for that moment you'll change your mood. That will really help you, and you have to accept the fact that that person is not there and you cannot get back that person. The things which cannot be changed has to be accepted first, and later on find the solution for it, to divert your mind at that moment. And one more thing I can say is about the baby's gender. People around you, your neighbors, friends, relatives may keep on telling you, you may get boy baby or girl baby, seeing your tummy, seeing your face. You may have a girl baby in the past. People may say you may get a girl baby again this time also. People may say this, but please don't give your ear to that. It is one thing you have to understand here is, you cannot change the baby's gender. As soon as you get to know you're pregnant, it is fixed. A baby's gender is fixed. You cannot pay some money and change the gender, or you can't pray to God and change the gender. It is not in your hand. You have to accept that. And thinking over and over again and again the same thought, I don't think it is relevant. You can divert your mind. You cannot change the gender. You have to accept that fact. And second thing is, the things which can be changed, like during pregnancy you will gain a lot of weight. It is normal. It is normal to gain weight during pregnancy because of hormonal changes, and people may bully you saying you're so fat. How come you have become so fat? You are so thin. You are so fit. It is common. After delivery, after few years, you will become normal. It is just a phase. You will go through it. You'll get over it, and you'll be fine. Here it is in all women case, not only you, but some may be thin during their pregnancy and some may increase their weight. It's okay, as far as you're healthy, it is fine with your weight. You can change that later, so just ignore this. After delivery you can take your time. You can be fit again. And the third one is getting stressed up unnecessarily, like comparing with others. I think that will really affect baby's health, baby's growth, and it is not correct. We should be responsible to take care of fetus. Whatever we think or whatever we eat, all the nutrition goes to baby. Same way, whatever stress we take, even the stress will be passed to the baby. So we should be careful. The things which cannot be controlled, I can understand, like somebody expires, or some problems, financial problems, many other problems. But this comparing and getting stressed is really unnecessary, that you can avoid it completely. Like few people will be financially so good, they will be very rich, they'll have more support system, people will be taking care of them nicely. You may think, I don't have that opportunity, that comfort, but you have to think about underprivileged people. They do work in roadside, they leave their kids in roadside, still they lead their life. So we have to see them and calm ourselves. We should not think too much, that we should not compare ourselves with others and get stressed up. You can avoid this completely. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, and if you find mistakes in my grammar, forgive me. I'm not that fluent, I'm just trying to convey my thought, and my intention is, there is no boundary for to share the information. So I think this medium will be reachable to many people, as many people as possible. So support me with this journey. Let's meet up in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.